besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, and on this channel we cover all things beauty and a whole lot of fragrance content. And today my little elbows are sitting on something real expensive and really exciting. This is my recent Jomashop haul. I love Jomashop so much. No, this is not sponsored. I purchase from them all the time, and I just purchased a bunch of fragrances I've really been wanting lately, and you're gonna get my first impression to a few. I'm very excited. Eek! Okay, so, oh my goodness. The first thing I want to mention is the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. I did pick up the original. Maybe like I'll fall in love with it now that I have it, but I do want to compare it to the other Good Girls in my collection, because every time I smell this in Sephora or Ulta, I always think it's nice, but it's like lacking something. But maybe I'm just smelling everything else in the air and I'm not getting a clear read on the fragrance. I did get the 1 fluid ounce and the bottle looks like so. Let's go ahead and spray this on my hand. I definitely pull the almond. There's white florals. It's sweet and sexy. So top notes of almond, coffee, bergamot, and lemon. Okay, so the almond is a top note. That makes complete sense. Mid notes of tuberose, jasmine, definitely pull the jasmine and tuberose, orange blossom, orris, and Bulgarian rose. And then base notes of tonka bean, which I get cacao. It's very warm and sweet. There's also vanilla and praline, which I can also see, sandalwood, musk, amber, cashmere wood, cinnamon, patchouli. I actually do feel like I'm getting the patchouli as well. Just slight hints of it, making it a little bit more grown, and cedar. So yeah, I'm gonna sit with this one. I'm gonna test it out right away though. Like I said, I do still think I do prefer the Good Girl blushes. Ooh, I gotta be careful though, because this feels super strong, and I kind of get the idea that this would cause a headache in the warmer weather if you do over apply. This one I'm so excited about. This is Sunset Hour by Goldfield and Banks. Eee, it's supposed to be like a really fruity freshie. Perfect for summer. It's getting a little late, so the light is going in and out, but I was so excited. I could not wait for tomorrow. This is the bottle. Super pretty. Oh, it's fruity and fresh and sweet. There's like a fresh zest that I get, I believe, coming from the ginger. I know this one has ginger for a fact. Fruity, feminine, sweet. Oh, I love those hints of ginger that I'm picking up on. I'm not sure all the notes in this one, but super uplifting, super juicy. It smells like something I would drink in the summertime. It's really delicious and super pretty. I love this. I am more excited about this one than Good Girl, let me just say, but of course they're completely different fragrances, but super exciting. And the notes on this one are, there's Kwandong Desert Peach, raspberry, cashmere wood, sandalwood, mandarin orange, pink pepper, definitely get that, jasmine sambac, ginger, and benzoin. And oh my gosh, there is that powdery ambery benzoin towards the base. I do kind of get that as well. I can see the peach. I can really see the raspberry. I love raspberry in my fragrances. Cashmere wood, sandalwood, mandarin orange, pink pepper, jasmine sambac, ginger, and benzoin. And I do kind of get like that warm, ambery, powdery benzoin note as well mixed in. But guys, that peach with the raspberry and the orange, And the spice, so beautiful. This is really, really good. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear it. Tomorrow I will be wearing this. It does feel very light, so I hope it has pretty decent longevity. I also got this fragrance from Kilian. This is Rolling in Love, and I already know I love this one. This is a really nice like vanilla, almondy, powdery fragrance. Very sexy, super date night appropriate. Oh, it just looks sexy, just like it smells. Super feminine. Oh my goodness. This one also has tuberose, tonka bean. Oh, it kind of smells like an almond cookie, but like sexed up. Like a grown-up version of a almond cookie. You know, it kind of reminds me, but this is just tastier. Jo Malone Scarlet Poppy. This is so gorgeous and very, very tasty. I have to get more Kilians because so many of them I really, really love. And the notes are top notes of almond milk and Brett, mid notes of iris and freesia, and base notes of tuberose, vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. So really gorgeous. I absolutely adore it. And I love the box it comes with too. I think that's really nice. Oh, which one should I do first? Okay, this is the Amouage. This is called Sunshine Woman from Amouage, and this is my first Amouage fragrance, so I am pretty excited. And it does look like it will smell like sunshine in a bottle. SD card ran out of storage, so now we are on my phone. And I mean, this is my third video of the day, so it's understandable. This is Amouage Sunshine Woman. Thank gosh I did not smell it. This is hopefully a sunshine in a bottle. I had to put this one on skin because I didn't love how it smelled on the paper. It smelled very medicinal, quite sharp, and a little tart fruity. But then, like, as it dried down after a minute, I got nothing on this paper. So really weird ride. But on my skin, I do get the warmth. I really pull that tobacco with the osmanthus. I get almost something quite fresh, spicy from it. Super warm, gets more creamy. Very unique in my collection. So if you like the sound of osmanthus and tobacco, you might like this, but I still would not recommend, like I just did, blind buying. And then I picked up Burberry Her, the eau de parfum, because as much as I really love the elixir, there's something about how fruity and girly the original is too that I really wanted in my collection. This is all about berries, so if you like berry perfumes, I think you'd really enjoy it. And although I don't get the best longevity from it, I think it smells really similar to Baccarat Rouge 540, but of course more affordable, especially on a discount. So I did want to pick this up. Love the atomizer. So fruity, so yummy, so girly. And I can tell this is one of my favorite hauls because I genuinely want to put everything on skin. And then last fragrance is my affordable fragrance that I've wanted for also a really long time. And this is Ariana Grande. This one is both super aromatic and delicious at the same time. I believe this one has a note of lavender, but it's also super gourmand and yummy. And I kept trying to find this at like TJ Maxx or Ross or Marshalls, but it was nowhere to be found. And so Jomashop did have a really good deal on it, and I bought the biggest bottle. And I will not be keeping the outer packaging. It's a bit much for me, but where can I spray that I haven't already sprayed? I want to put this one on skin. Oh my gosh, powdery, sweet, aromatic, airy. So good. So good. I really pull the tobacco, by the way, in the Amouage. Super interesting. Okay. This is like you're drinking lavender tea while eating delicious powdery cookies. So sweet, so mouth-watering. I really enjoy this, and I'm actually so happy that I did get the biggest bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the good things, and let me know your favorite fragrance from this haul. If I had to pick one that's really difficult for me, I would probably say either Rolling in Love or my Sunset Hour. So pretty. This one, I'm so happy because we're going into summer and I think this scent is just going to slay. And then I think Rolling in Love is just such a romantic, feminine, like date scent, and I'm so about those. Very sweet, and again, it kind of reminds me of Scarlet Poppy from Jo Malone, so I will put them side by side. There's something even more intoxicating about this scent, so I will put them side by side. I'll let you know what I think, but yeah, I'm really happy about this haul. This might be like one of my favorite hauls I've ever done on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!